We have here a 2008 Silverado 4.8. Originally came in for a radiator. I already got it out. But this is how to get the heater hose quick disconnects off. I went ahead and took off the breather house, air filter housing, since it was off, and it sits in there, right about there. I already pulled it out. This is what it looks like inside, and it sits in there. You get one of these tools, snap rings or quick disconnect sets. You slide it from the back, obviously with the open side in, slide it in and pry it out this way, and it slides in here perfectly, and it releases all those locks inside. Once you feel it snap in, you just slowly wiggle it out and it should come out. Obviously first drain your coolant, make sure it's not hot, that way you don't burn yourself. But just be patient. I had a little help. Had this tool here. I was able to sneak it behind this tool and wiggle it out as I was holding on the heater hose, pulling it out. But that's just where it goes. Same mechanism. And then just go ahead and replace it. It goes down there to thermostat housing right there, and it comes back up to the expansion tank. And that's it.